Hi Bellas, Janelle and Francis here for your April unboxing.
Hi guys. So this month our theme is No Filter, which is all about embracing your natural beauty.
Yes.
And we have some great skincare, makeup and hair care items this month. So I will get straight into the first product today. So the first product that I have here is the NYX Professional Makeup Lip Lingerie in the shade Teddy. So I'm wearing it today over some pink lip liner because it is a very brown shade, and obviously a brown nude is a color that has been trending for many years now, and I don't think it's going anywhere.
Yeah, it's a classic.
It is a classic, especially in autumn. So it has a really great formula because it's creamy when you apply it, but then it goes matte and it dries.
Yeah.
So I'm wearing it with a little bit of lip balm, which it doesn't look as matte, but it's a great formula and an awesome color to rock on all skin tones. So you'll have to show us your color rocking this color.
Awesome. The next product that everyone will be receiving, and you guys would have seen this on our socials, is by Steve Laurent. It is their Precision eyeliner. This is great because the formula is not only cruelty-free, but it's long-lasting and budge-proof, so you know it'll stay on all day.
Yeah.
Francis is wearing it.
I'm wearing it today, just a little bit.
Yeah. So like what I mentioned, it has a felt tip applicator, so it'll make precision lining just that much easier. We know you guys love Steve Laurent before, so
and the packaging is so pretty. I love the packaging of it.
So we're super excited for you guys to give this one a go.
Awesome. So the next product that I have here is an awesome brand. So they are from the US, and you can find it in Mecca. So some of you may have tried it before. It is from Patchology, and it is their rejuvenating eye gel. So honestly, these are a lifesaver, like to pop on under your eyes if you have like really tired eyes or under eye bags, a bit of puffiness and you want to get rid of that. A little tip is that you can pop them in the fridge and then pop them on your eyes, and they feel really cool, and the serum in there as well is going to help to depuff the under eye area. So a really great one that you get to try out.
You can also put those on while you're doing your makeup, when you're doing your eye look, just to really perk
and it will like catch any
fallout.
Yeah.
Awesome. The next product is something we're really excited about because we haven't had a beauty tool in a while. So this is the Kawaii Brush Cleanser. This is obviously for cleaning your brushes, so all you have to do is wet your brush, put on a gentle cleanser, and then just swirl it around the little egg, and it will remove all the buildup in your makeup brushes, and it will just make it that much easier to clean your brushes, because I know a lot of us don't do it often enough.
Oh my god, I think my makeup brushes definitely need a clean, so I can't wait to use this.
Let us know what you guys think of this one, and we'll look into putting more beauty tools for you guys.
I actually also have a beauty or a hair tool, and this is the Meta Tangle Pro 3D Tangling Brush. So this brush is awesome because it has a 3D pattern on it here, so it really helps to glide through the hair and reduces breakage in your hair. So like I'm gonna brush Janelle's hair here, but you can see how like beautifully soft it makes it. And I love this size as well because you can easily chuck it in your handbag, and on the go you can just use that throughout the day. So that's a really awesome addition.
So exciting. Now on to the bonus products for this month. You guys will either be receiving the Coconut Miracle Oil Shampoo and Conditioner by OGX, or the Shea Soft and Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. So this is great because it'll just keep your hair silky, soft, especially in the winter months. Frizz-free as well. We're super excited to be working with OGX this month, so let us know what you guys think of this.
So you can wash your hair and then you can brush it out.
Yeah, pretty much.
Have like beautiful shiny hair.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, I think that wraps up everything in our box this April.
Let us know below what you guys want to see tutorial wise, or if you have any questions about the products.
And if you love the products, make sure you go on your dashboard and leave some feedback as well, because the brands always love to hear if you have feedback of what you loved or anything that you would recommend in future. So, Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next month.
Bye.
Bye.